We've ordered 36 of the ProsourceFit Exercise Puzzle Mats. That's going to give us a 12-foot by 12-foot area for our workout space. Let's put it together. Now the way these come in packaged, 6 in a pack, and you'll see that all 6 of these have edges. Well, that's not going to work. We're 12 foot by 12 foot. We have a lot of inside stuff, right? So what we can try to do, it's going to be 6 by 6. Maybe we can start at one edge. Maybe we can start at the front and work our way this way. Five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah! We gotta find the right one here. There's the wrong one, not the one with the hook. We got it, we got it, we got it together. Yes! Our 12 by 12 workout mat. Woo! There you have it, the ProsourceFit 2 by 2 inch tiles making 12 foot by 12 foot, 36 tiles all together. Check it out on Amazon.